Hi, I'm Mama Tyrannosaur, and today I'm making my son Ty's favourite hummus. Save some for your brother.
Oops, sorry, Mama.
Oh, Ty, not again. Not to worry, I'll just whip up another batch. It's so easy to make. You'll find this recipe and lots more in my new cookbook, Cooking with Mama Tyrannosaur. But for now, here's what you'll need. 1.5 cups of cooked or canned chickpeas, 1/2 cup of lemon juice, 1/2 cup of tahini, or you can use peanut butter or whatever kind of nut butter you prefer, 1 clove of minced garlic, or you can substitute with garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a dash of paprika, and 3 tablespoons of water. Make sure you rinse your chickpeas. Then blend the lemon juice and tahini in a blender or in a food processor for 1 to 2 minutes. Add the rest of your ingredients and blend till smooth. I recommend serving this with fresh vegetables. This time, make sure you share.
Okay, Mama.
And that's my recipe for today. If you liked it as much as my kids do, be sure to order Cooking with Mama Tyrannosaur. And remember, you'll find the link in the description of the video. See you next time.
Thanks for watching. Bye. Visit us at littlestdinosaur.square.site.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Thanks for watching.